Sup? Today is part 2 of the best drift cars in CDT. 3 brand new drift cars just got added, hence part 2. So let's get right into ID. First up is the new Falcon Drift RX-7. This car was added just a couple days ago and requires 100,000 drift points to unlock. It also comes with a wrap for 250k points to unlock. Okay, so this car is alright. It is on the verge of losing control though. I think I'll rate it a 6, 5, 10. Next is the new Drift Lamborghini Gallardo. This is also new in the Drift update and is required to have 1 million drift points to unlock. So first thoughts, I think this car is worse than the RX-7. It doesn't handle well. I rate it 5/10. So this is the brand new Limited. It is like a Drift Ford Mach-E. It costs 3 million and is only for a limited time. This is quite good. My friend managed to get 26k with it. I'll rate it a 7, 5, 10. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for 100 subs. We are already halfway to 200 subs, so please subscribe for more. Bye bye.